Times. Like so monkey face, and when they staring at me outside, like this.
Yung magdako mo dito buwan mo ato lang istorya on kasi na ay naghatlo kay
Immigration naman
may pulis na istorya on ako ato istorya on okay at hindi na ito pagkagahin ma'am kung meron problema ha ano ma'am okay lang dito
Pasod naman kami dito.
from Cebu Region 7
You are on a mission order for being undesirable. Okay? You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be held against you. And you have the right to a lawyer. And if you don't have one, the government will provide for you. Okay?
But my lawyer is coming right now.
Yeah, we will wait for your lawyer.
Ma'am, sworn na lang ng passport, sir. Dismission order for the violation of the Philippine Immigration Act of 1940 for violations of your conditions of stay. Okay?
I mean, I'm overstayed.
Yeah.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah. That's one.
Yeah.
Overstay.
I have a airplane ticket to Manila today.
Okay.
Today?
Yeah, 8:40. So
Oh, good.
I was trying to go to the.
Okay,
Oh,
perfect.
perfect.